Hey guys, I recently went to a job employment office and my experience in attending the interviews there in different companies. If you are living in Tamil Nadu side, most of the government employment officers ask the candidates to scan the QR code and register in TN private jobs, and after that registration only they will allow us to enter. Some people may forget, and some people may lost their mobile. For that, for the registration purpose, they asked to write down their username, email and password thing to access and register for them when the server is down. Okay, so after writing those papers and after giving those paper only, the candidates are allowed to attend the interview inside the employment office. In the employment office, when I entered, we just went inside around one by one, and I only found 27 companies that are looking for candidates. I like that, but most of the jobs are not good for me as I am looking for the computer based work. So I was scrolling around to find the job, but I can't find it in 1 to 9 number based companies. I will tell why I can't find it later. But when I came down, I found four computer based companies only. But I applied for them, and later I have to come out. And why I didn't feel that most of the companies there are, except those five, are not good. The first 1 to 9 companies are not as I expected. Only the five companies are hiring for the software based work, and the other based things are hiring for sales trainee, sales manager, and BPO, call center, like that. They are hiring for candidates, and lot of them are applying for it also because of it. Some people from BCom and BSA also hiring for accounting things like that, and which is okay, it's normal like that we can see. And in one particular company, they said for 2 months we will give the training, and after third month we will give the fees. I mean the salary. In that salary we will take out the fees like that. They said, and it's really not all companies are hiring from this sales BPO things. Some companies are hiring because in my location, it's a village side, countryside. Okay, so most of them are looking for sales only. And if we go to the city side job fair, most of them will get the highest places of companies like computer based things. But I am not sure whether it is happening in your place also. Please comment about it. If you asked me whether I got the job from this job fair, I will say no for now because the job fair was conducted along with the assistant HRs. I mean junior HRs. Okay, so the junior HRs mostly will send the resume taken from us as a candidates, as means candidates, and give it to seniors. Only the seniors will contact us via the mobile or email, and then only they will do some review about our resume using the ATS thing, and then share or call them. Some people called me and saying that junior HRs don't know some things, and they explained that we will do the contract basis job, and we will do this work basis in salary will be low, like that they mentioned, which junior HRs didn't mention properly. And most of them called and most of them didn't call. So some said we will review your resume and contact you after 1 month, like that they mentioned. Okay, that's what happened there. In this job fair, I didn't get proper PDF details or any pages about what are the companies are coming to the employment office, like that. And in online also they didn't give proper details about the company names. But after submitting the forms, and when we entered, I saw the names of the company. And after asking them about the role, asking the junior HRs about the role, I submitted the resume. Okay, So the junior HRs will send it to their senior HRs to review and call us for the job based interviews. So what I want to tell you is, uh, on the spot you are getting the job. Hiring company names means you can submit it, and when you go back to your house, and you need to research about the company properly, and you must know the reviews given by the candidates or the previous juniors or senior candidates. Like that, you need to check clearly in your online itself. That's how you can avoid the scams. In this interview based calls, okay, you need to be carefully explain your thoughts in the company thing, and you need to be available at any time they call. Okay, most of the people do like this. And I want to say that my job searching is still going on. No one said I'm confirmed and I got selected, like that. No one said. Okay, so I'm still waiting for the some people, and applying for some other jobs also. So I want to say, if I got the job, I will also share the happy news with you guys. And you need to be careful and confidence. Okay, about what you say, what you do, like that. That's how you can get a job. But in this job fair, I don't think they will call me even after 1 month. But I will try to apply in other places also without saying negatively about it. So thank you.